Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a Microsoft Teams meeting to an event that you create in Google Calendar. So the first thing that you want to do from your Google Calendar is you want to go ahead and click on the Settings menu icon, and then you want to go ahead and click on Get Add-ons. This is going to bring up a list of third-party add-ons. Here you want to go ahead and search for or click on Microsoft Teams. This is going to prompt you to install the Microsoft Teams add-on that was recently released. Then you want to go ahead and click Continue. Google is going to ask you to sign into your account and to grant the Microsoft Teams add-on permission to your account. You want to go ahead and click on Allow. And there you go. You have now added the Microsoft Teams add-on to your Google Calendar. You can go ahead and click on Done. And we're just going to close this out here. Now, to actually add the Microsoft Teams meeting invitation to an event that you create in your Google Calendar, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create a new event. Okay, so I'm going to call this event, Family Fun. Okay, you want to add your event details, and then to actually add the Microsoft Teams meeting invitation, you want to go ahead and click on More Options. Okay, and under Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, if you click on the little drop down, you can see here that you have the option to add this to Microsoft Teams. You want to click on that. And in this case, it's going to ask you to log in with your account if you haven't logged in for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And there you go. You have now added your Microsoft Teams meeting invitation link to this event. So you can go ahead and save this. And that's it. When it's time for this meeting to occur, you can just click on the Join Microsoft Teams meeting link in the invitation, and you'll be prompted to join the Teams meeting. So that was a quick overview outlining how to add a Microsoft Teams meeting invitation to an event that you create in your Google Calendar. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please like it. Please add a comment below, and please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.